guys, here are 3 mistakes I did when I work on Fiverr as a freelancer. First mistake is skip messages and orders. Basically, when Fiverr promote your gigs, organic traffic will get to your account. That means you will get lot of messages and orders. So you have to reply for all of those messages. If you don't reply it, your responsive rate will decrease. Also, not only that, even you send message to reply message to those customers, you have to get the job. If you skip the job like I don't have time or I don't have skill to complete this job, you Fiverr will cut out the traffic to your account and your account will basically dead. So if you get any message, reply to that message and try to complete that work or try to get the job. If you unable to get the job or if you skip those messages for few times, Fiverr will cut out the traffic. So this is from my experience. So currently this account is a dead account. By the way, now I am work on Upwork, so those prices are from my old customers. So as I told before, if you get messages and orders, you have to complete all of them. At least if you get 10 messages, complete 8 tasks or complete 8 orders or convert those messages to customers for 8 times. Skip 2 messages. So if you skip like 4 messages and do only if you skip 6 messages and did only 4 work, your Fiverr account will be dead and Fiverr will never send more traffic to your account. Second mistake is do hard work on Fiverr. So basically Fiverr is place to get lot of orders for cheap price. So if you try to work on Fiverr as a freelancer, as a software engineer like web developer or mobile app developer, Android app developer or software developer or someone like that, don't go to Fiverr. Go to place like Upwork, because in Upwork there has high quality clients and they willing to pay the high price for your skills and for the project. So in Fiverr only do works related to graphic designing or data entry and social media management. So those are easy work and anyone can do those things or do those work. So on Fiverr, if you want to success, do graphic designing or social media management job. If you try to do hard work, I mean when you do software engineering job, you have to waste you have to commitment your time and your energy. So it's not worth to work as a software engineer on Fiverr. This is from my experience. So the next one or final one is never give up. Don't give up easily. So when you not get traffic to your account, basically you will not get any orders. So it happened to me. When that happened, you have to send buyer request. So buyer request is really powerful way to gain lot of customers. So if you think there has competition on Fiverr, actually it's not true, because most of Fiverr sellers send pre-built template, so they don't even read the buyer request. So read buyer request and send high quality buyer request, you will get the job. Also be the first one to send buyer request. Not only that, you can promote your Fiverr account on social media like Pinterest, Instagram, Facebook or YouTube. So in that way you will able to gain traffic from outside the Fiverr or gain sales from outside the Fiverr. So never give up. If you currently have a dead account, so this account is dead, there has some earnings, but those earnings from my old customer. If your account like mine, just try to send buyer request. Also promote your Fiverr account outside the Fiverr. So on those ways you will be able to gain traffic to your Fiverr account or gain sales to your Fiverr account and win on Fiverr. Actually, Fiverr is a really great place to get lot of consistent jobs and consistent money. But only thing is Fiverr is cheap. I already have a video on about Fiverr. Feel free to check that video too. So here's the video. I hope you get something on this video. So let me know on comment section. I will see you in next time. Bye.